Hey Sephora fans! My name is Marcela, or a Mexican but Japanese, and I'm here today with La Mer in partnership with Sephora. I love to share all my latest beauty must-haves, including my longtime favorite, La Mer. You've probably heard the hype about their gorgeous formulas, which is why I'm here to give you the inside scoop on all 5 of their moisturizers so you can find your perfect match. First, let's chat about what makes La Mer the luxury icon it is today. At the heart of every La Mer product is the brand's proprietary ingredient, the Miracle Broth. It helps bring your skin back to its center, it visibly soothes irritation, and hydrates the skin. La Mer's signature fermentation process takes 3 to 4 months, and what's cool is that it uses light and sound energy. I've never heard of that before. This enhances the activity of its ingredients, and at the heart of the Miracle Broth is sea kelp, which is hand-harvested in the waters of Vancouver Island. I can't wait for you to see the results for yourself, but before we apply, one tip to keep in mind is that your moisturizer is always the last step in your skincare regimen before sunscreen. They're available in 5 different textures and finishes, so you can really find the formula that fits your needs. It's as easy as asking yourself, how do I want my skin to look and how do I want it to feel? So let's begin with a moisturizer that started it all. Say you're seeking a natural-looking radiance with the texture of a rich cream, one that's going to hug your skin with moisture. That is the experience of using the iconic Creme de La Mer. So we're gonna scoop a pea-sized amount onto the spatula, and we're gonna warm it up between our fingertips, just like this. And this special warming ritual is specific to the creme and releases a Miracle Broth, so take your time. When this rich cream turns translucent, you know you're ready to apply. Place hands and gently press the creme into your skin. Start with your cheeks, your forehead, chin, and then finish with your neck. In just hours, your skin feels firmer, looks smoother, and appears more radiant. I love how my skin feels, super soft and hydrated. Moving on from ultra rich to ultra soft, we have the Moisturizing Soft Cream. Just as we did with the iconic creme, scoop a small amount onto your spatula and pat between fingertips before gently pressing onto cleansed skin. Notice how quickly it absorbs into the skin, but don't let that fool you, it's still providing that moisture your skin needs. The Moisturizing Soft Cream helps renew your skin's natural barrier, and it's great for those with dry or combination skin. I like to use it in the morning under my makeup. For those seeking a balanced, healthy look, and you know who you are, La Mer's Moisturizing Soft Lotion is meant for you. If you have combination skin, you will especially love the lightweight touch of this healing moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 pumps and pat between fingertips before gently pressing onto cleansed skin. You'll notice that your skin looks glowing and energized, and I just love how my skin looks naturally vibrant. If you're wanting a lightweight formula, look no further than the Moisturizing Cool Gel Cream. This gel cream delivers soothing moisture that refreshes and replenishes my skin. I love to use it when it's warmer outside. It's perfect for those of you with combination or oily skin, with its hydrating, cooling sensation. My skin feels restored and calm. Lastly, we have a moisturizer that truly amazes me, the Moisturizing Matte Lotion. When I hear the word matte, my mind instantly thinks of dry skin. But La Mer took a formula of healing moisture infused with Miracle Broth and gave it a healthy-looking, more matte finish. Use 2 to 3 pumps of this ultra-lightweight lotion and pat between fingertips before pressing it in gently onto the skin like this. This lotion helps smooth the appearance of fine, dry lines and helps my skin look balanced, replenished, and refined. I hope you had as much fun learning about all 5 of La Mer's gorgeous textures and finishes as I had applying them. And most importantly, now you know how to pick your perfect moisture match. It doesn't have to be this one-size-fits-all solution. La Mer lets you choose what is best for you on any given day. Once you try La Mer, you can't go back. Thanks for watching. You can shop all 5 at Sephora.com.